And I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't.
Hi guys, and welcome to my dirty room. And welcome to my dirty room. So today's video is going to be me cleaning my disgusting, dirty, horrific, me just trying to find adjectives to describe my room. So yeah, this thing is a wreck. Katie, if you're watching this, I promise I would not be this dirty at college. No promises though. I'm filming this video today just to hold me accountable for actually cleaning my room, because I'm moving into college in about a week from tomorrow. So we gotta clean my room so I cannot come back here and it's dirty when I come back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've never filmed one of these videos and I think it's gonna be fun to film, so I thought I would. So yeah, this thing is a disaster. So let's go, I guess. I went to the doctor today to get my blood drawn and some shots so that I could actually attend college, because, you know, I'm not an anti-vaxxer. Yeah. Alright, so this is literally everything around me. This is from a trip like last week and I still haven't cleaned it up. So I think we're gonna get to this first. So right now, I'm going to be organizing these between dirty and clean, and then we'll go from there. Rip to my sunglasses. You will be missed. The ocean is in fact a thief. Okay, I promise I have more than one deodorant. This is fun. This is so fun. Alright, so all of these clothes are right here, they're actually clean, but I've been really lazy. So we're actually gonna put all these away, fold them, and do what I need to do. Okay, I think I got the thumbnail. This is already looking 10 times better. If you remember, there was like so much stuff in the middle. So I think next what I'm gonna do is work on my desk area, because this is ridiculous. I still have like half my makeup from the trip in there. I just haven't had time to like clean it at all. So that's what we're gonna do now. gonna clean off the top of my dresser. Oh my gosh, there's like jewelry, this cool thing, earrings, just random crap, to be honest. So I clean, wait. Alright, so I cleaned off my whole dresser except for some of my jewelry, because I don't want to take it out of the package if I'm moving in a little bit. So everything looks good. Over here still struggling a little. Alright, so next in my closet, my closet is actually very organized. My friend and I, Zoe, just went through it like last week or so. But up here I just have some clothes that were hang drying again, so I have to take all the t-shirts off. Actually, this one still has a big behind stain on it, so I need to get my dad, because he's my stain remover master. So yeah, so I just have to take all the stuff that I'm gonna fold and put in my things, and then hang up all the rest of the clothes. Alright, so now it is time to hang up all of my clothes. My closet is organized by style and color, thanks to my friend Zoe. So I've kept it for 2 weeks. This is a new record, so we're gonna keep it going. Alright, so the very last part of my room is my desk. It's pretty messy. Don't mind the laundry over there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this. I don't really even know like where to start. So yeah, let's go, I guess. Alright, we're almost done. All I have left is this, which is going to Goodwill, and then these 2 bags of trash are going. I have to take that downstairs, and then all I have to do is just make my bed. So now my bed is all done. Now I just gotta plug them in, and voila, so cute. Alright you guys, so I'm finally finished with my room. I just now want to show you the final product. Yeah, so let's go. So that is my finished room. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Also, definitely go follow me on all of my social media platforms. They'll be right here on the screen for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and then I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.